Kira MP Ryan Park has suggested that the government implement countdown timers at the traffic lights on Memorial Drive. Such devices have been used overseas and have proven to be effective, according to Mr. Park.
What we've seen is a reduction in rear-end accidents. We've also seen a reduction in accidents at intersections because people tend to, when they see the countdown, respond in a way that is more cautious and slow down and ensure they don't go across the intersection. And that prevents those intersection crashes, and it also prevents or reduces the chance of an incident involving a pedestrian at one of those intersections.
I think it's probably a good idea. I think as a driver, something like that would help, and also gives you an idea, if it's counting down towards 0, you've got 2 seconds and you're too far away to make it, you're less likely to push the red light. So I think it will help stop accidents and people going through red lights when they shouldn't be.
If it can prevent, pedestrians being hit and prevent car crashes, why not?
Yeah, I think the same too. I agree. I think it's a good thing.
Well, I think the Wollongong is super busy, especially with the uni here. It's so busy. It would really help people so traffic can be controlled, and traffic with pedestrians can be controlled as well, make sure no one gets hurt.
Yeah, although it could kind of encourage people to sit on their phones at red lights. If they know they've got 20 seconds, they'll probably just use their phone in that time.
Yeah. All right, thank you. According to the Roads and Traffic Authority, the system that New South Wales traffic lights use would not be compatible with countdown timers. And this is because they are dependent on measured traffic conditions rather than set timing. Mr. Park is still determined and wants to see if there's any way to integrate the traffic timers with existing traffic systems. Rachel Lockhart reporting for UOW TV Multimedia.